It looks like a wig, like it just blends in with my hair. Hello guys, so welcome back to another video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So for today's video, I'm going to do a mini hair video. It's just a styling video. I'm about to try it, a very uncommon style I've seen on YouTube, so let's see how it turns out. The lighting is shitty. Yeah, the lighting is shitty, so we're just going to work with whatever we have right now. So we're going to do cornrows, which I use to crochet. I'm going to use braiding hair. So for this, I'm going to use this. This is a crochet. You can see it has the, I hope I just, it goes through. And this is braiding hair from Sisters, long, color number 2. So total I spent like $1.5 on these both. So yeah, let's see. So for the first step, I'm going to have to portion my hair into small areas. I'm going to use cornrows to crochet. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to do the cornrows off camera because I'm getting distracted looking at the camera all the time trying to do the cornrows. So yeah. So I almost did my cornrows. I'm almost done. Just a little bit more. This other half, and then we get to install the braids. We already prepared some, so yeah.
Hop in up, throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. Hop in up, throw up the sex.
Hello, so I'm back. I started the other side just to see if it will come together because I was ready to change my mind if it doesn't come together. So yeah, so I'm going to show you how to insert. Just choose
I can put you in. I'll hear this.
back. So with the video yesterday, I had to continue into today because I hadn't finished recording. So this is my hair. I tied it over just to keep it fresh for this video. So let's see the outcome. This is the next day. Yeah, I couldn't finish recording. My phone had issues, so I had to stop recording, and I couldn't not finish my hair waiting for the phone to stop recording, so to resume recording. So yeah, I just did my hair. I have some few clips of the process, the step by step, every stage. So yeah, so here's the final one. Let me untie it so we see what's going on here. Like, I'm the type of girl that never sleeps without tying her hair. Like, I think I'd wake up in the middle of the night just to tie my hair. I'm that rigid or protective about my hair. You can see what's going on. Let me move back. This is the hair situation here. Let me untie it. I did the jumbo knot to keep it fresh for today because I knew I wanted to show you guys the results. So yeah, here it is. This is the whole situation here. Like you can see, it's giving inches. It's giving inches, so yeah. So let me just untie. Let me untie it. So let's see what you're working with here. But I was happy with how it turned out. It was kind of more than I expected, because it was nice though. Like, this style took me around like $2 at most, because I bought the braids for 70 bob each, coming to around 150. Yeah. But the problem being I've never crocheted before, so it kind of took like longer than expected. It took like 4 hours, but for the videos that I've seen people doing this hairstyle, they take around 1 hour at most. I'm not really good at crochet, so that's to be expected. Let me move this here. Let's just look at it. Look at this hair. It's giving inches. Say yo. Oh, that. Okay, so yeah, this is the hair. I'd comb it out to show you guys the full outcome. It looks like a wig, like it just blends in with my hair. I used the number 2. Yeah, a number 2. Oh, I'm just trying to cover up the knots which I used. I'm using a mirror, sorry. Yeah, I'm just trying to blend it out to make it even, because I got that situation over here just at the back, because doing your hair alone is kind of tricky. You didn't get to see your back, so you just like throwing stones in the dark, hoping to hit something. So for all of you that do your hair on your own, just like that, I don't know if I should move my back. Hope you're seeing the hair. The problem is that my camera is too close for comfort and there isn't enough space here, so yeah, this is the situation with the back. As you can see, it's giving inches. I've not really done anything to it currently. Not trimmed it, not oiled it. But yeah, so I'm going to insert a few pictures, show you the final results. I'm going to style it. You can see it's very versatile, giving inches. Like, I hope you guys can see. But I hope next time I'll get a better place to frame in my view so that you can see things better next time. But I hope you can see. Here's the middle part. It's not really bad for a first time person. My first time doing. By the way, have you ever been doing those hair tutorials and nothing ever seems to come out right? Yeah, I'm one of those people, because so this is the first time I've ever tried a hair tutorial and it actually came through. Surprising, but it is a very easy style, so yeah, I expected it to be a bit easier. See, giving inches, yo. It's giving inches. Yeah, so for me, this is the look I'm going for today. I'm going for a casual day out with friends and running some errands. So yeah, this works for me for today's. I just really like how it came out. So yeah, just look at the giving inches. Oh yeah. So yeah, like my video if you like more content like this. So yeah, it's giving inches, but sorry for the lighting today, it's not giving, so I end the video with that.